Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my amazing chicken Wellington sausage rolls. It sounds a little bit weird, but these things are amazing. Right, let's get on with it. Here I've got around about 250 grams worth of mushrooms, which I've first of all sliced, and I'm going to go away and I'm going to cut those into nice little chunks even further, just like that. I'm going to put that into a food processor, just like I'm doing right there. Just add those straight in, and I'm going to do these in a couple of little batches. I don't want to overload the food processor. Just give that all a really good blitz, so we end up with basically a minced style mushroom concoction, for a better word. It should look something like that, really fine and almost clinging together with the mushroom juices that are there. Right, I'm just going to do that again. As I said, I'm going to do it in a couple of batches, just like that. And if you haven't tried making your own Wellingtons before, it's not that difficult, although Gordon Ramsay would say otherwise. Alright, so we're just going to make sure I get all that mushroom straight into a saucepan, or in this case I'm just using a little wok. This I can work with quite easily. Alright, so we're just going to add all of that in, and what we're going to do is we're just going to cook that off. And what we need to do for Wellington, we need to get rid of as much moisture as we possibly can out of those mushrooms. So just keep cooking them off, give them a stir from time to time, and if you see moisture sitting at the bottom of the pan, give it all a bit of a stir and keep cooking it through. Alright, as you can see, there's a little bit of moisture in the bottom, and you can see the moisture is coming out right there, and I want to make sure I don't have any of that. I want this to be as dry as possible. We don't want it burnt, but we want it nice and dry. I'm sort of getting pretty happy with the way that's turning out. I'll use a spoon, press it down and see if any moisture comes out. I'm going to set that aside on a little trivet and let that come back down to room temperature. Now here I've got some Dijon mustard. Now you can use as much or little as you want. Now you saw how much I put in there. It's about a tablespoon's worth, and all I'm going to do is simply mix that through with that mushroom, just like that. And if it looks like not enough, add a little bit more. You could use a hot English mustard if you really want to, but the Dijon works beautifully with the chicken. That is one thing to take into consideration. A hot English mustard or even an Australian mustard will be quite strong, and French mustard won't give you enough flavour. Okay, right, so we've made that beautiful little mushroom paste. Here I've got a sheet of store-bought puff pastry. No rocket science there, and all I'm going to do, lay down a piece of streaky American style bacon, and I'm going to spread out some of this mushroom and mustard mixture along that bacon. Alright, now please forgive me, my hands have not been the best lately, and especially with my MS. And if you're a new viewer, yes, I do have MS. So my left hand does what it wants to do. Now I'm going to squeeze out some chicken sausage, right, just like that. Leave the skin behind. We just want the filling of that beautiful chicken sausage, and we're going to arrange that so it ends up going from one side to the other, just like that. Okay, how easy is this to do? And it does not cost a lot of money to make. It's a really budget type of deal. Alright, so we're going to make sure we get rid of the blue plastic. And if you've watched my videos before, yes, I always say don't cook with the blue plastic because it doesn't taste that good, and believe me, I have tried. We're going to simply just roll that sausage, bacon and mushroom mixture all together, just like that, so we get an overlap of around about 1 centimetre. I'm going to sort of slice that with a knife off the edge, and I can get 2 lots of the sausage rolls per sheet if I do it correctly and get it right. I'm going to pinch the ends off because I don't want any of the mushroom mixture to escape. I'm going to make these a little bit like a traditional Wellington where you actually do close the end off. So I'm just going to crimp those off at the end, just like that, and I'm going to put that on a tray and with the join side down. So just continue with the rest of your mushroom mixture, bacon and sausages. I've used in total, I think around about 6, maybe 8 sausages for this particular dish, and just keep going along and do it like that. They should look something like that. Now here I am, I'm just going along with a little paring knife or paring knife, and I'm just going to poke some little holes in the top. Now it's going to let some steam escape, because we want a nice crunchy sausage roll. We don't want them all floppy. Now I'm going to put a little bit of egg wash over the top. It's just simple beaten egg. You could add a little bit of water to it if you want, or even a touch of milk, but I'm sort of just liking the straight beaten egg straight over the top. It's going to give us a nice crunch, a nice colour. They're going into the oven around about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they come out looking something like that. I've cut those on the little bit of a bias there, so you can see on the inside. Anyway, I'd love to see you try and make these ones at home. It is really, really easy, and they are super tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a little bit of fast food at home, something out of a KP's pie shop, just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my chicken Wellington sausage rolls, and I will catch you next time. Bye.